Would you like to know how to shoot for the biggest watch magazines in the world? Well, I can show you the way I did it, okay? Don't hesitate, just go for it. Don't wait, don't do another test shoot, okay? First of all, you need to have a great photo idea, unique and great photo idea. It's all about the ideas in this business, you know? Don't focus on the light too much, and especially don't focus on the gear at all, okay? My idea was to throw luxury watches into tea, you know, tea time. I found some beautiful tea and I took a watch and I placed it inside the tea. Added some light from the top of the watch and then I took an IKEA mirror and bounced back the light. That's it. After some retouching and fixing up in Photoshop, I felt I had a great image. Then I searched online for the biggest watch magazines in the world. I added the photo into an email and I wrote something like, "Hey, look at this idea. Don't you want to publish this?" One magazine out of 3 replied and said, "Hey, absolutely, let's go for it. Here, you have a bag of money, just go for it." It's true, I promise you. And here you can see the result. You know, like I said before, you have to be a bit naive and just go for it. No more test shooting, no more practicing. You know, I had no idea how to shoot products or watches, really. Okay, I tested a bit, but I just had this idea, created the image and sent it over and boom, you know, maybe I was lucky. What do you think?
Time.